Greetings. Hey, y'all. It's Miss Starling. I'm the sixth grade math, seventh grade, and seventh grade APA, and eighth grade math teacher at Jackie Caffey Junior High in room A206. This is my virtual open house slideshow. Please come and check out what I've got going on for y'all this year. This is my slideshow presentation. I will have the link attached to my YouTube video at the end of this, and let's get going. Hi, I'm Miss Starling from the Sunshine State, St. Petersburg, Florida to be exact. I've been a teacher in Alvin ISD for 4 years. This is the start of my 5th year, and I'm beginning my 9th year of teaching. I have a 5-year-old son and a 9-year-old fur baby. I enjoy spending time geeking out on random math and logic problems, doing puzzles, hanging out with friends, swimming, playing soccer, and singing my heart out, even though I can't sing, so it's terrible. I'm sure you'll hear tons of stories about my family and my adventures outside of being a teacher. I can't wait to hear yours. That's for my students in my class. All right, next slide. A few things that you should know about surviving Miss Starling's class are that I hold all of my students to the same expectations to do great things. I really push the students to be smarter than I am because with technology nowadays and everything at their fingertips, they really have the tools to do so. Diligence is a necessity as well as respect. In order for you to get mine, I must earn yours as well. We are all on the same team and we're striving together toward greatness. We're playing a little 3 truths and a lie game. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Of the 4 statements below, 1 is false and the other 3 are true. Click the question mark to determine or discover the correct answer. That's if you click the slideshow. You can't click it on the video because obviously this is recording right now. Anyway, the first thing is that I have traveled to Greece. The second is that I'm a member of a math honor society. The third is that I have 2 siblings and 2 nieces. And the fourth is that I love the color purple. So think about which one is the lie and I'll tell you at the end. What we are learning this year. So attached, I have a glimpse of the 8th grade calendar, which is also the 7th grade pre-AP scope and sequence and the map for the next grading period. I have the 6th grade math info here, and then back here I've got the 7th grade info. So these are just math concepts that we're covering this year. If you glance at the 7th grade calendar, we're talking about writing and solving equations and inequalities right now. And we will go on to constant rate of change toward mid-October. Our next unit in 6th grade math, which is also 7th grade APA, and a little bit of 8th grade math, involves unit rates, linear relationships, y equals mx plus b, finding slope, graphing proportional relationships, interpreting the unit rate as the slope of a line that models the relationship. And we will be going over that for quite some time. Bivariate data and linear functions will be covered in that unit as well. The 8th grade info looks almost identical to the 6th grade math as well. Imagine Math. I have a lot of students who have been asking about extra credit and parents as well, asking about how to bring grades up. Imagine Math is the answer. In order for students to drop a low daily grade, and by drop, I mean make it a 70 or make it 100, depending upon mastery in mathematics or in Imagine Math and the concepts that have been mastered, students must pass 3 lessons at the end. I will check and see how much students have done, and then I will go and give them credit in the grade book for that. I know Imagine Math may not be the most fun tool. However, it has shown through research to provide growth from 1 year performance on STAR to the next. That's in math for certain. And it's just a good tool to practice the concepts that students may have gaps in from all the way back to 3rd grade. Again, linked in this video will be videos for Imagine Math, and parents can see how to complete a lesson and what it looks like. At the very end of a lesson, it must say certificate earned in order for that lesson to be considered complete. I've gone in great detail in the video there. It's about a 12-minute video, and within the first 5 minutes, I explain how to get Imagine Math done, and that's all there is to it. When students log in, they will use just their 6-digit student ID numbers as well as the password. It's the same thing. And then the site code is 4808090. And if you look here at my little picture, you're literally just putting in 6 digits. You're not putting at students@alvinisd.net. Just 6 numbers here, 6 numbers here, and then the site code. Once you get into Imagine Math, this picture will show up and students will click Imagine Math on the right-hand side and get straight into their lessons. My favorite things, I've got a video here for me just to share a little bit more about Miss Starling if you care to know. I'm a huge Rays fan. My Astros picture is hidden there. My bad. Go Rays. We're going to the World Series and we're going to win it this year. You heard it here first. Oh, wait, no, don't play the video. Okay. My website is also linked in the slideshow here. All the information that you need to know about my classes here. Remind codes, if you'd like to join my Remind, that information is in my website. Google Classroom codes are also there. All you have to do is click on the link for your class period for both Remind and Google Classroom, and it will take you straight to those logins or straight to those class periods, so you don't have to worry about signing up and typing in a certain code. They're linked in this slide here. Tutorials are also posted there, but for those of you who want to know about tutorials, I will say so now. Tutorials are Wednesday mornings for first period, third period, and sixth period, and Thursday mornings for my other periods, second, fifth, and seventh period. Wednesday afternoon are special times for tutorials for students by appointment only. I really need that time to kind of plan and discuss concepts with certain students, and those are times when some parents have reached out to me and said, my child can only come in the afternoon, and that's my small group time, and I really want that to be intimate instead of just letting that be an open door. But yes, so Wednesday, Thursday mornings, tutorials times, and how that works is at 8 a.m. On Wednesdays or Thursdays, I will meet students at the front entrance, and I will bring them upstairs to my classroom at around 8:02. I'll give them a 2-minute grace period to arrive because I know students aren't in control of driving and getting to school for the most part. And then I'll use that time from 8:02 till about 8:30, right before the bell rings for students to go to first period. But I'll use that time to go over homework, to have students work on Imagine Math, to also have students submit homework by way of Skyward. That's another video that I'm going to talk about here toward the end of my slideshow. And that's about it for my website. All right, next slide. Oh, so this video is linked in my slideshow, which is linked in my YouTube video. But this shows students and parents how to log into Skyward to submit homework. Ms. Starling has started uploading homework questions which aligned directly with whatever's given to you in class in Skyward. So all students have to do is log in with their student ID. This is not through Family Access, so they can't use parents login. They have to use a student login, but they'll log in through their student accounts, and it should be toward the top if it's a current assignment. Toward the top of their feed as soon as they log in. They don't have to click gradebook. They don't have to do anything special. As soon as you log into Skyward, it should show the current assignment at the top, and then you click Take Assignment. Make sure to read the questions that are uploaded in the assignment to make sure that they are matching whatever answers that you're inputting as your submission. And then when students go through that, there will be a button that says Save and Complete Assignment. That's what they click to finish it and to submit it. Again, the detailed video is here. It's fancy, it's awesome, it's convenient. It does almost instant grading, and if the grading is not instant, then it will be done after the due date, because I try not to have my students see the results till everyone has submitted their homework, and it saves me time with grading. So that kind of just is something that I adapted during last school year to omit so much paper transfer due to COVID. Here's the lie. As much as I love mathematics, I'm not in a math honor society. My older brother and my older sister have blessed me with one niece each, and I spent a week in Athens and Santorini, Greece during June of 2016. Here's my contact information. Email is the best means to do so. Again, these are links which are going to be in the comments or in the, description of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or a remind message. And I wish you all the best school year for the 2021-2022 school year. Have a great evening.